The 1974 Jensen Interceptor III, white over black, numbers matching. 440 cubic inch V8.
Sounds all
big old.
It sounds like it too.
It does.
Wow.
It's got the MSD atomic electronic fuel injection. No harm, no foul, I say, with doing that. Error correct 3-speed automatic. Very rarely seen. 4-wheel power disc brakes, which is kind of unusual for 1974. But the Jensen Interceptor, it was a cool car. It was, talk about it was a hidden gem.